Two-factor authentication not working on Her Block app fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the Her Block app, you might be locked out of your account right when you need it most. But here's the good news, it's usually a quick fix once you know what's going on. Most people think the code itself is wrong, but that's rarely the real issue. The number one cause for problems is time synchronization. The codes you get from your authenticator app are time sensitive and must match perfectly with Her Block servers. If your phone's clock is off by even a few seconds, the code won't work. To fix this, open your phone settings, enable Z time automatically, and confirm your time zone. Then, in your authenticator app, tap time correction for codes or sync now. Next, make sure both the Her Block app and your authenticator app are fully updated. Open your App Store and install any pending updates. Outdated versions can break the link between your account and your authentication app. If you use SIM-based authentication and the code isn't arriving, toggle airplane mode for a few seconds, restart your phone, or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Text message delays are often due to network congestion or carrier issues. If you've recently switched phones or reset your device, your old setup may not work anymore. On the Her Block login page, tap Can't Access VA and follow the steps to verify your identity. Once confirmed, you'll be able to re-enable VA on your new device. And here's one last piece of advice: always keep your backup recovery codes saved securely. They can be your lifeline if your phone ever fails or gets replaced. So, if your two-factor authentication isn't working on the Her Block app, sync your time, check your network, update your apps, and use recovery options if needed. With these quick steps, you'll be back in your account and filing your taxes safely in no time.